What you watching? Say good morning, Fibs.
Good morning, Fibs.
Tell Fibs what you doing.
I'm watching my tablet.
You're watching tablets? Alright. What you gonna do today? Huh?
I'm gonna brush my teeth.
You gonna brush your teeth? Alright. You're so funny. Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. You're brushing your teeth? Good boy. He says he's brushing his teeth and washing his face. I guess what? That's what he's watching on the tablet. You guys, it's a bright and beautiful morning. I just rolled out of bed and got all fresh, and I'm about to go make me some breakfast while Tyler just finished eating his breakfast and is there chilling. Baby's off to work and baby's coming home early today because today is the quarter-final match between France and Uruguay, and there is no way my husband is going to miss that match, and that match is at 4 o'clock. Though I'm going to head off to work, but he's gonna be home watching that match. I'll catch part of it, but part of it I won't be able to see. So yeah, that's what's going on today. I have a bunch of stuff on my list to do today. I have to go on the road. I have to get back to the paint shop. I have to go to the supermarket. I just have a bunch of stuff to do today. But before I jump into all the things that I do today, I want to give a shout out to one of my fellow Jamaican YouTuber that I really enjoy watching their channel, and I genuinely love their channel. And you guys know that if I don't really not genuinely love somebody's channel, I won't recommend them to you. So this channel is called the Zebra Tribe, and I'll leave the link down below in the description box, and I'll also leave it in the comment section so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to them. They have the similar family as mine. She's Jamaican and her family is Canadians. They're Jamaican Canadians, and she do homeschooling of all her kids. She have 4 beautiful girls. The youngest is just a few months old. That she filmed her journey after she have a tubal reversal to have her 4th child, which ended up being a 4th girl. I was really hoping for a boy, but Almighty decides. She have 4 girls, 4 beautiful girls, and she homeschooled them. On her channel you find family vlogs, baby videos, things about the girls, all different kind of videos. So go ahead, her name is Sarah, so go ahead and go over to the Zebra Tribe, go over to the Zebra Tribe and tell Sarah that Melissa sent you with all the love, and show them all the love and all the positive energy that you guys showed us. We love you guys, so go ahead and show Sarah over by the Zebra Tribe all the love. Yes, Tyler. Okay. he loves when he gets my attention. What's wrong? What happened? What happened to your tablet? Stop doing your face like that. What happened to your tablet? Huh? He's something else. Anyway, you guys, I am so hungry. I'm so hungry, and I don't have any ripe plantain, but I have green plantains. So that is what I'm going to get my butt up and go make for breakfast right now, before I start doing anything throughout this day. You guys, I have something to show you. I make Tyler toast almost every morning because that's his favorite and that's what he's gonna ask for. And I'm gonna show you how Tyler eats his toast. Does any one of you kids does their toast or their bread like this? So I have to cut his toast into 4 pieces each day, and he's not, for the love of him, touch the corner of the bread. He's not having it. So you see this one, 1 bite, 2 bite, 2 bite, 2 bite, done, and he's not gonna eat the rest. Are you finished eating your toast?
Yeah, I'm finished.
You're finished. So you're not gonna eat all that?
No, I'm finished.
You're finished. You're so funny. Look at him. You're dancing for the faves?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're so cute.
Mama,
Yes.
this is cars.
It's a cars? Okay. You love cars?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, Mama gonna go make some plantains and eggs, okay?
Okay.
I make Tyler toast almost every morning because that's his favorite and that's what he's gonna ask for. And I'm gonna show you how Tyler eats his toast. Does any one of you kids does their toast or their bread like this? So I have to cut his toast into 4 pieces each day, and he's not, for the love of him, touch the corner of the bread. He's not having it. So you see this one, 1 bite, 2 bite, 2 bite, 2 bite, done, and he's not gonna eat the rest. Are you finished eating your toast?
Yeah, I'm finished.
You're finished. So you're not gonna eat all that?
No, I'm finished.
You're finished. You're so funny. Look at him. You're dancing for the faves?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're so cute.
Mama,
Yes.
this is cars.
It's a cars? Okay. You love cars?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Alright, Mama gonna go make some plantains and eggs, okay?
Okay.
You finished? Yeah. Good job. Out of the kitchen. Ah! It's not finished.
No, it's finished.
No. No, you don't want any more?
No.
Okay. You're so funny. Yes.
Yes.
You want some juice?
Yeah.
That's all you asked for it?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Do you want this one?
No.
No? So which juice do you want?
Apple juice.
You want apple juice?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, my love. Apple juice for you.
Apple juice.
Put it down.
Apple juice.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Isn't outside just so beautiful today? So beautiful. Look at that. All this blue skies, blue beach, the blue of the pool. It's just looking really beautiful out today. Whatever it is that you guys are doing today, just make the best of the day. It doesn't really matter what is it that you're doing. If it means that you have to do what you have to do alone, do it alone. My mother always tell me that you born alone, you don't need company, you don't need friends to do anything. You don't need anyone around you to be happy. You can make yourself be happy. Put yourself first. Stay loved, stay blessed, and stay motivated. I love you guys. I am going to make dinner right now, and then I think I'm gonna head to the pool. So let's go. And there you have it. Dinner is ready. No, 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 no. You're mean. You're so mean. I'm gonna throw it back on you. Not in my not in my ear. No, not in my ear. Oh. Okay, you catch me, you catch me. You guys, the pool was so much fun, but can I just tell you how hot it is outside? I feel drained from all the sun, man. But we had so much fun. We're back and Tella is done for a nap, and now I am going to go and get some lunch and rest before babe get home so I can go to work. Somebody is awakey wakey. Wakey, wakey. Hello.
Yeah.
You had a good nap?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want now?
The chocolate milk.
You want chocolate milk?
And smiley face biscuit.
And smiley face biscuit?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go have that, okay? What? What's wrong? It hurts? Let Mama kiss it.
What's you?
It hurt right here?
Yeah.
Alright, it soon feel better. Come, let's go have chocolate milk and smiley face biscuit. His routine is whenever he wakes up from nap, he wants something. It's always chocolate milk and something. Okay, let's find chocolate milk. He loves these smiley face biscuit because he said they make him happy. They make you happy?
Yeah.
Yep. He's so cute. You want Mama to open it for you?
Yeah.
Smiley. Let's see. Let's find a smiley. That's what he calls smiley face biscuit. Ooh. He's so funny. And that's another one. Look at him, he's so happy. You want me to open the milk for you? Yeah? Even if he doesn't eat the biscuit, he just wants to look at them. Yeah?
Okay, it's 1, 2.
Yeah, good job.
And no, it's 2 biscuits.
Very good, it's 2 biscuits.
More
Yes?
to open it.
Oh, you want to open it?
Yeah. I want to see inside.
You want to see inside?
Yeah, it's a chocolate it.
Yes, it is. What am I gonna do with him? France is playing football today. You're gonna watch the game with Papa?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're gonna say, "Go France!"
Go France.
Allez les Français!
Allez, France.
Go France, go!
Go France, go.
Ooh. Yeah, good sport. You guys, France won! Look at his face, happy face. France won. You guys, real quick, we are back at the paint store because your girl finalized all the paint color for the house. So I need to now pick up all the colors that I need for the house, all the rest of the colors. So we're back here. Yes, baby?
Beat drum.
You beat drum? Yeah? Okay, beat drum. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. So we're at the paint shop, and then from the paint shop, we're gonna head to the supermarket. So for bedroom, I am looking for this light green right here. So hopefully I can find that. We shook their hands, but our fish said, "No, no, those things should not be in the house. Make them go." Who is this? Ting one.
Ting one. Ting two.
Have no fear, little fish, said the cat in the hat. These things are good things. And he gave them a pat. They are tame, oh so tame. How you feel about Brazil going home?
I feel good about France going next round.
So you don't care about Brazil going home? No?
No, to play. I was cheering Belgium. I mean, to play against Belgium or Brazil, I don't really care about who we're gonna play against. But yeah, I'm not a Brazil fan, so I'm glad that Belgium has won. Belgium has a very good team, and yeah, I'm happy France is in the semi-final. Oh, yes.
The craziness that's happening in town, the excitement, that's the word. The excitement that is happening in town is just beautiful to see. A lot of Jamaicans will be crying tonight because Brazil has gone home. So I don't know where Jamaica gets so many Brazil supporters from. They've been marching in the street. They've been carrying on just like if it's Shelly and Fraser or Usain Bolt running. I've never seen anything like it what I see over social media. But anyway, I guess all that will be done now because Brazil has got home. And good luck to France in the semi-finals. I hope they go through to the finals and win the finals. But
6 teams remain in the competition and 6 European teams. I always say that's where we play soccer. Or football. We call football in France and not soccer.
It's only USA call it soccer, honey. Everywhere is call it football.
USA like to do things differently.
Anyway, you guys, we are going to go ahead and enter this vlog because you see how my eye red? Sleep. Tired and Tyler is long gone to bed. So we won't give you guys an expression tonight.
Go France, go!
Allez France, allez les bleus,
Les bleus,
les blancs, les rouges. The blue, the white, and the red. Go France. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And tomorrow will be another busy day for us. You guys will see what we're up to tomorrow. So in that case, you guys have to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. That way you guys won't miss out on everything that is going down with us. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.